in and let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want.
Yo, what's the word YouTube? It's Itslaybaby, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Lay. Welcome to the 5-star crew, and if you're not new, welcome back.
I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, only want you love me.
Okay, y'all, so today is Sunday, February 9th. It's the Super Bowl. Go Birds, period. I don't care what none of y'all gotta say, period. But y'all are gonna be getting ready with me today, basically, for a Super Bowl party. I'm not taking y'all to the Super Bowl party, but y'all are just gonna get ready with me for it. Like, we're gonna do my hair, cause this right here ain't it. So we're gonna do my hair and make me look all cutesy and classy. And yeah, so first things first, obviously we have to shower. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Hold on. Oh, that was a little close up. I didn't mean to get that close to y'all face. My foot. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom right now. I'm doing this with one hand currently. All we need is my lotions in my face, and then we need my toothbrush and my toothpaste. So, cause basically, I'm gonna wash my face and I'm gonna brush my teeth, and then we're gonna go in my room and actually like get dressed and do my hair and all that. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the shower on. Turn this and then this up. I don't like super hot shower.
But the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, cause only the thing that is saving you.
So I can't really use or the other products that everybody be using. So my Birds and Bees is what works the best for me. So I use the
Right now, probably 10 toes down. Yeah. Get it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now you like fuck Cupid. Had to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watch you real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. No place to unknown hands. You don't too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell a nigga back.
Okay, so I got my outfit on. I got my little Nike Pro leggings. I have my, obviously, my Eagle shirt, my Kelly Green, period. I don't know what we're rocking in the Super Bowl. I don't know if it's the Kelly Green one, if it's the OG jerseys. I don't know, feel me, but I'm rocking my Kelly Green. And I got this to match, but we gonna do this when I get ready to do my hair. We're not gonna do that right now. But I'm gonna use my Dove, my lovey dovey. Okay. It's my Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla. Shout out to my friend. Shout out to my girl. She got me this for my birthday. This smells like cake, y'all. Believe it or not, I know it says vanilla, but it smells like cake. And it's like shimmery, so it's like has like glitter in it. But it's not the messy type of glitter. It's just like a little shimmer. Shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. It's like if y'all know this song, y'all go. If y'all do, I don't expect y'all to, because it's Jason Derulo. But yeah. Okay, I put this on. It's my go-to mist or perfume or smell good or whatever you want to call it. It's pink cashmere.
So, Peekaboo, as soon as she come through, that homie, she talking about some Cashmere. Do you wanna fight? Duh, you don't wanna fight.
I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I go in with my Miss Dior. I put this on my neck. My Miss Dior. I put it on my neck. 1, 2, and then 3 on the shirt. You rub it in. I always put this in here because with my like designer type of perfumes, I always keep them in the box because I don't want to lose them or whatever. Alright, so now we back up some. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this hair, y'all. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this hair, but it can't look how it looked before because we're not doing that. It's a Super Bowl party. I gotta look presentable. Okay, so I think I could do the space buns that I had before, but that's only if they freaking act right. Don't worry, y'all, we're gonna put the band-aid on. That's just gonna be last. Does that look good? I can't see. Alright, is it even? The reason I don't like really doing space buns is because they don't be even like that. Is this cute, y'all? We do it twice. If I do it 3 times, it's gonna make my head hurt. And more if I need to take some more out, then I'll take some more out. But one, two. It's definitely. I have bows, but I don't know if I have a green one. Hold on, y'all. I forgot I had these. You can do a black one, and you can do a red one. It's not the same color green. I mean, it could slide though. It could slide. Like it could work. So how I do it, I don't even know. I forgot how to put these in. I got these off of Amazon. And then do black on this side. Is it giving y'all? Is this hairstyle giving? Or is it giving child? Is it giving kid? If it is, it's okay. I think I put these in like this so you can see like the bow part, and then put these in the front, or not in the front, but like on the side a little bit. I really forgot I had the bows. Now to add the bandana is kind of gonna be a little much. I'm not gonna lie, but you can see how it looks. I know we ain't together no more. That's who did it. You did it. What they said, for my sister, I kill it. Dad, play with her. Yeah. Shout out to my dog, bro. Shout out to my dog. You know who he is. He probably watching this video right now as we speak. He know who I'm talking about. But does that still go if I put the bandana in the bows, or is that like doing too much? Baby, I'm going all out. I don't care, bro. I don't care. I'm going all out for my birds. Cause the bandana, it brings out the shirt, and then the bows, it brings out everything like as a whole. It makes up the outfit. And if y'all are wondering what shoes I'm wearing my Dunks because they match the best with this type of outfit. I'm not really gonna mess with the bows like that, but I'm gonna push this back up a little bit. Basically, I figured out the hairstyle. I could like do a little braid. We go see how that look real quick. If I were to like braid it, like do a like braid ponytail. I'm screaming real for the real ones, real for them that's on their block that's trying to kill something, real for them in the cell that ain't coming home, real for them die for the block. Oh no, they going home, real for the real. Somebody had texted me, but they're gonna have to wait because I'm filming right now. Does that look good? What? Braid or no braid? Braid, no braid. I think, I don't know. I really don't know. Let's finish and just see. Braid. No braid, no braid, no braid. We're not gonna do braid. We're just gonna leave it how it is. And just like that. Ooh, not as stuck. This concludes today's video, y'all. This was a cool little calm little get ready with me, because I know y'all like these type of videos, so I try to give y'all what y'all want. If you have any video suggestions that y'all would like me to post, just put them in the comments below, or follow my Instagram and DM me any ideas. But yeah, Make sure you give this video a like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the good stuff. Share to your mama, your daddy, your uncle, your auntie, your best friend, your mama. Okay? And I will see you in the next one.
I get this type of feeling when it comes to